I got 1991 Ford Mustang with something special under the hood. It's got a 2017 5.0 built Coyote motor and a 6-speed transmission, and then a bunch of other goodies. You can tell from the stance, you can tell that it's got something. When you see really small wheels in the front, big wheels in the back. So let me show you what we've done. It's got the suspension, it's got everything. There's a transmission, there's the new motor, long tube headers. And this was done by the shop that put in the motor and the custom work. They put them 2 mufflers on it, 2 Magnaflows, center offset, there and there. And then what we did, he had it dumped right after those. They were all bent up. And he's like, I don't want to take the mufflers off. I don't want to change any of this setup. But he's like, the smell is killing me inside. So we came up with an idea for him. So we ran him 3-inch pipe into 2 Flowmaster catalytic converters right there. Mesh Flowmaster catalytic converters, and then we dumped it out the back there and there, as you guys can see. And you can see from that it's all bent up and crazy because every time he backed up, he would hit something. That's how low it was. He brought them for me. Thank you, Jarrett. So there you go. A lot better, a lot cleaner, as you guys can see. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And he did bring 2 tailpipes. We were gonna run tailpipes out the back, but then we saw that they ran the fuel lines right there. So we didn't do that because there's no space and we don't want to hit his fuel lines, and then the independent suspension in the back or the upgraded suspension is in the way too. If it was clear like that, we'd run it all, but this side is the problem. So we didn't want to chance it. So I advised against it because you guys can see all the fuel lines, but it does have a fuel tank in the back, a new tank too. All right, so there it is. Nice and clean. Stay tuned. It's a really clean build too, guys. See that hood on it too? Scooped hood. Nice. Good looking car. I love project cars like this. We enjoy working on them. There it is. You can see the gear shifter. 92 with a Coyote, 2017 Coyote 5.0 6-speed transmission. Go ahead. It's a little bit quieter. Idle. So that was 77 at idle. All right, rev it up your done. Now it sounds like a Mustang. It sounds good. Your sound decibels now? Go ahead. 97.1. One more. 104 when you get on it a little bit more. All right, go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop. Right there, we're right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear on the inside. Get changes there. Oh. Oh. All right. Let me get a few of those. Fancy. 1992 Ford Mustang Fox body, or LX body actually, with long tube headers, 5.0 Coyote swap motor, and 6-speed transmission into 2 long tube headers, Magnaflows, Flowmaster pre-OBD2 cats out the back. No. see wanted to spin, but let's hold it. I love that. Enjoy, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts.